Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of Target 2, that is June 20 paper. In my previous video I have completed till question number 27. Let us continue with the question number 28. So in the question number 28 it is find the median of the following data. What they have asked? Find the median. So class interval is given and also frequency is given. Class interval 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and the frequency is 7, 15, 20 and 8. Okay, let us see how to solve this. So here first step what we have to do is class interval we have to write as it is 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Then frequency we have to write 7, 15, 20, 8. And now the question is class interval and frequency. So the first step what we have to do is we have to add this frequency. First step we have to add this frequency. Addition of frequency is nothing but n. So total of this frequency after addition the total number of frequency is nothing but n is equals to 50. So next step we have to find out the CF in median, class interval, frequency and CF tabulation is. So CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Here cumulative frequency how we will get? First number 7 we have to keep as it is. 7 will be as it is. 7 plus 15. What we have to do? 7 plus 15, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 8, 50. Like this we have to go on adding. First number as it is, whatever it may be. In all problems, first number we have to keep as it is. 7 plus 15, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 8, 50. So this we got the CF. The next step we know that n is equals to, we have got 50. I'll write here n is equals to 50. And in formula, median formula, we should by heart first all formula. So we should know that in median formula what all the things is required. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So first thing n we have 50. What we have to find out? n by 2 is equals to 50 by 2. 50 by 2 is nothing but 25. So n we got 25. So in CF, after what number 25 comes we have to see. After 22, 25 comes. Not after 7 but after 22. So we have to underline this. So 22 comes under, after 25 comes after 22. So we have to underline this. Now we should go on writing. We have underlined this line, right? L is this first number. L is nothing but 60. L, value of L is 60. Same line, first lower limit is L, 60. CF always we have put the line right above number. CF, in a CF column, CF is not 42 but above this line whatever number is there, that is CF. CF is 22. F on the same line, this same line, frequency column is F, 20. F is nothing but 20. And H is nothing but size of class interval. 20 to 40 is 20. So this is all value we have got. So let us substitute in the median formula. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L value I have told 60 plus sign as it is. N by 2 value is nothing but 25 minus CF 22 upon F 20 into H also 20. 20 20 get cancelled. 60 plus 25 minus 22 is 3. So 60 plus 3 is nothing but 63. What we got? Median is 63. Let us see next question. Next is nothing but OR. Choice we have in this question. So the next question is find the mode of the following data. Okay, mode let me tell you here only, because in mode we need not write to again this, directly we can solve. 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 6, 9, 15, 9, 1. So we know that mode formula is nothing but L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is the mode formula. So now to solve mode, first thing we should see the highest frequency in the given frequency. So which is the highest frequency? This 15 is the highest frequency. Let us underline this. 15 is a highest frequency. So f1 is 15. f0 is above number. f0 is nothing but 9. f2 is also 9. Highest frequency is f1. Above number is f0. Below number is f2. We should remember it always. So L is, we have underlined this column, L is 5 and h is the size of class interval, that is 2. So size of the class interval is 2. How to substitute in the formula? Let us see. I have written again one time here. So highest frequency we have to mark. Highest, only the thing is in a table highest frequency we have to mark f1, f0, f2. Okay, and this is L. Size is nothing but h. You have to write like this values also. Now let us know that mode formula is L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So let us substitute the value. L 5 plus f1 15 minus f0 9 upon 2 into f1 15 minus f0 9 minus f2 also 9 into 2. 5 outside 5 as it is plus 15 minus 9 is nothing but 6. These two multiplying, these two adding, because minus minus is plus. 15 2s are 30, 9 plus 9 18, but sign minus. 5 plus 6 upon 30 minus 18 is 12 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 ones are 6 ones are. So 5 plus 1 6. Mode, the value of mode is nothing but 6. Okay. Let us see the next question. We can see our next question, that is 30. This is the question from probability. So which is reduced for this year. Okay. Question number 30 is reduced. Question number 31. Prove that the length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Very important theorem from circle. For explanation, you can refer my circles video where I have uploaded the theorem and explain it thoroughly. Okay. 32. Question number 32. Construct a triangle ABC with side BC and AB 6 cm and AC 4.5 cm. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4/3 of corresponding sides. For this construction also, you can refer my video, construction video, where I have explained the 5 or 6 problems of constructions. So let us see next question. Question number 33 is area related to circle, which is reduced for this year. These both problems are reduced for this year. Okay. So let us see the next problem. Question number 5th main. Question number 34. Okay. Find the solution of the pair of linear equation by graphical method. Here we have to do the graph, that is x plus y is equals to 7, 3x minus y is equals to 1. How we have to do this graph? Let me show you here. X plus y is equals to 7 and 3x minus y is equals to 1. So two table we have to plot. We have to draw table x, y. This side also we have to draw a table, that is x and y. This table is for this equation and this table is for this equation. So x value we have to consider. Let me consider x value as 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here also x value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Whichever value we can consider for x. Now what we have to do? x plus y is equals to 7. X value 0 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7. So if x 0, y 7. Similarly, 1 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus y. Y is equals to 6. So 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. Like that we will get. This side, how we will get? 3 into 3x minus y is equals to 1. 3 into 0 minus y is equals to 1. 3 zeros are 0, minus y is equals to 1. Minus y is equals to 1 is nothing but y is equals to minus 1. So here what value? Minus 1. Similarly 3 into 1 next. 3 into 1 minus y is equals to 1. 3 ones are 3 minus y is equals to 1. Minus y is equals to 1 minus 3. 3 we should bring here means minus 3. Minus y is equals to minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled, y is equals to 2. Likewise, third value 3 into 2 minus y is equals to 1. 3 2s are 6 minus y is equals to 1. Minus y as it is 1 minus 6. Minus y is equals to minus 5. Minus minus get cancels, y is equals to 5. Like this we will get the tabulation. How we will plot now? See, we have got the values like this. Just now I have solved and I have shown you. So how we will plot here? X-axis, Y-axis. This is, see right now I don't have here graph paper. So I have done here only. So this is the X-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here negative numbers, above positive numbers and below negative numbers. 0. X is 0, Y 7. This is the first marking. X1, Y 6. X2, Y 5. And X3, Y 4. So they have drawn a line here. Next here we can see in this now X0, Y minus 1 below. X1, Y 2. X2, Y 5 and X3, Y 8. So this is again one more line. So the point of intersection is this. Two lines intersect at this point. So like this way you have to plot a graph, and if they have told to find the value, so you can see x is equals to 5 and y value is x is equals to 2, because x line is this. This is the x line, x-axis. So x value what we got? 2 and y value we got 5. So this is the question number 34. Let us see question number 35. There are 5 terms in an AP. There are 5 terms in an AP. The sum of these terms is 55 and the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of first 2 terms. Here question number 29, by mistake I have left here. I forgot, I didn't see this. Last, after solving all the problems, let me solve question number 29. Okay. So here now 35, question number 35. There are 5 terms in an AP. Okay. The sum of these terms is 55 and the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of first 2 terms. Find the terms of AP. When they ask 5 terms in AP, how we will solve? Let, we have to assume, let the 5 terms of an AP be A. Same like how we have done for 3 terms. Let the 3 terms of an AP be A plus D, A minus D we have taken. Likewise, let the 5 terms of an AP be A plus D, A minus D, A plus 2D, A minus 2D. For 5 terms we have to take like this only. Some first term is A minus 2D, second term is A minus D, third term, fourth term and fifth term. Because we know that the series starts like this only. 0, here positive numbers, here negative numbers. Likewise only AP is also a sequence where positive and negative numbers will get. So that why we are taking negative numbers? It get cancels easily and we can find the answer easily. So we have to take like this numbers. Okay. So the sum of 5 terms is 55. Sum between these all numbers. We have to add this. A minus 2d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equals to 5. 2d plus 2d minus 2d get cancelled. Minus d plus d get cancelled. 1a, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a is equals to 55. A is equals to 55 by 5. A is equals to 5 ones are 5. 5 11s are 55. So we got what? A value we got. Now in question what they have told, again let me read one more time. Fourth term, and fourth term is, this is the fourth term. Fourth term is 5 more than 5 more than 5 means plus 5. 5 more than sum of first two term. Sum of first two term. Fourth term is 5 more than sum of first two term. Fourth term is which in this? A plus d is a fourth term is equals to, first term is a minus 2d plus second term is a minus d plus 5 as it is. Let us see now. A get cancelled. When it is in different side, then positive numbers get cancels. Same sign get cancels. But if it is in the same side, one positive, one negative get cancelled. Okay. So here they are in different side. So A get cancelled. D as it is. Here A as it is. Minus 2D minus D minus 3D plus 5. D here only as it is. Minus 3D if we bring this side plus 3D is equal to A as it is plus 5 also as it is. So now 3D plus D, 4D is equals to A plus 5. 4D is equals to A value we have got here 11. So in place of A what we have to substitute? 11 plus 5. 4D is equals to 11 plus 5 is nothing but 16. D is equals to 16 by 4. D is equals to 4. Therefore the 5 terms are, we have to write again one term, that all 5 terms. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. So after writing these 5 terms, we have to substitute the value. A value we have got 11. In place of A, 11 minus 2 into D value we got 4. Then 11 minus 4. A value is 11. A value is 11 plus 4. 11 plus 2 into 4. So 11 minus 4 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 11 minus 4 is 7, comma 11 plus 4 is 15 and 11, 4 2 is 8. 11 plus 8 is 19. So these are the values, 5 terms. So here you have to understand the question and frame the question. That is very important. That is, let me tell you one more time. Fourth term is 5 more than sum of first two terms. Like that you have to understand it well. So let me see the next question. Here choice they have given, or in an AP sixth term is 1 more than twice the third term. In an AP sixth term is what they have, how they are saying, let me write. Sixth term is 1 more than twice the third term. Twice the third term. The sum of fourth and fifth term is 5 times the second term. The sum of fourth and fifth term is 5 times the second term. Find the 10th term of AP. So I have already solved this question. Let me show you how we have to do. Okay. Sixth term is twice the third term, 1 more than twice the third term. After this writing also you can write plus 1, or before also you can write plus 1. It is one and the same. Sixth term is 1 more than twice the third term. And one more they have told what? Sum of fourth and fifth term is 5 times the second term. Sum of fourth and fifth term is, sum between fourth and fifth term is 5 times second term. When 5 times, 2 times, 3 times comes, that time multiplication. Find the 10th term. So how we have to do? A6 is nothing but A plus 5D is equal to 2 as it is. A third term is nothing but A plus 2D plus 1 as it is. A plus 5D as it is. 2 into A, 2A. 2 2s are 4D plus 1 as it is. Okay, let us bring all numbers one side. A plus 5D as it is, minus 2A because we bought this side, plus 4D came this side as minus 4D is equal to 1. Okay, A minus 2A minus A, 5 minus 4D, D is equal to 1. Let us make this A as positive. We will change the whole equation sign. Minus A become plus A, plus D minus D, and 1 became minus 1. So this is the equation 1. Like this we have to solve this side. Fourth term, A4 is A plus 3D. One less we have to do. Fifth term, A5 is nothing but A plus 4D is equal to 5 into 5 as it is. Second term is nothing but A plus D. So A plus A, 2A. 3D plus 4D, 7D is equals to 5 into A, 5A, 5 into D, 5D. 7D as it is, minus 5D. D terms we bought this side. 5A here only, minus 2A. A terms we took this side. 7D minus 5D, 2D is equals to 5 minus 2, 3A. So 3A, 3 here only. 3A minus 2D is equal to 0. Equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, what we got? A minus D is equals to minus 1. 3A minus 2D is equal to 0. Nothing is same. So to make it same, here nothing means 1. This equation 1, equation 2, 3 multiply to equation 1, first number, and 1 multiply to this. So 3 ones are 3A, 3 into D, 3D. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 3A, 3A. 1 into 2D, 2D. 1 into 0, 0. Now 3A, 3A we got. So we have to change the sign. Same sign we cannot cancel. Here plus is there, minus. Minus, plus sign. Here plus is there, minus. So what? Now we have to see this sign. What we have changed the sign, now that signs we have to see. So 3A, 3A get cancelled. 1 minus 1 plus, always minus. 3 minus 2, 1D. Nothing means 1. So greater sign is minus. So minus D. Minus 3 plus, minus minus plus. 3 plus 0, 3 only. So minus sign. Minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to 3 we get. So how, what we have to do with this 3? Substitute D is equals to 3 in any one of the equation. Equation 1. A minus D is equals to minus 1 we have to write. A as it is, minus D value we got 3 is equals to minus 1. A is equals to minus 1. Minus 3 if we bring this side, plus 3. A is equals to 2. How? Plus sign. 3 is having plus sign, so 2. Therefore, what they have told, find 10th term. A10 is equals to A plus 9D. 2 into A value 2 plus 9 into D value is 3. 2 as it is, plus 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. So this completes the question number 35.
Let us solve now question number 29, which I have left there, and by mistake I have gone for 31 problem. So here the question number 29 is, the following table gives the information of daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Draw a less than type ogive for the following data. Now here we can see the question is already, answer also is given. This is nothing but less than 100, less than 120, less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, and less than 200. The question is ready. Here number of workers is nothing but here CF, because the numbers goes on increasing. You can see here frequency will not go on increasing. You can see here frequency 6, 9, 15. again 9, again 1 they have given. So frequency will be shuffle like, but here CF always goes on increasing. So by seeing the question you should understand whether question is given directly or we should find the CF. Here the question is given directly. So how you will do this? Directly you will plot like I have written here, less than 100 0. So 100 0, 120 8, 140 20, 160 34, 180 44 and 250. So you can see here, this is the x-axis, daily income we have written on x-axis, and number of workers we have written on y-axis. So let us see now. We'll just write 0, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240. And here I have taken the numbers between 0 to 50 now. So I have taken the distance 5, 10, 15, 25, 30. So scale will be what? X-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 100 unit. 100 no, 100, 120. 20 units. Difference is 20. 100 to 120, 120 to 140. So 20 units. Difference is 20 unit. In y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 5, 10, 15, 5 units. So, but you can see here why I have done this mark, because 0 to 100 is not same to 100 to 120, 100. Here the difference are 20, but 0 to 100 is a big difference, so we have to do like this. Okay, now let us go on plotting 100 x 100 y 0 on the same line, x 120 y 8 between this line y 8, x 140 y 20 exactly on 20, x 160 y 34 just below 35. Okay, 1 unit, x 180 y 44 above here 44, x 200 y 50. So slowly with the hand you have to draw the smooth curve, that is called OG. Okay, and always less than type OG, it will go from down to up. More than type will come up to down. Less than type will be always down to up. So here the points you should write 100 0, this point is 128, this point is 140 20, this point is 160 34, and this point is 180 44, here 250. So like this it comes the OG. So the next question which we will continue now, 36th problem. Okay, now a tower and a pole stands vertically on the same level ground. It is observed that the angle of depression of top and foot of the pole from the top of the tower of height 6 meter is 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. 60 meter height tower, the angle of depression is nothing but 30 degree and 60 degree to top and foot. First one is for top 30 degree and foot is 60 degree, because respectively what they have given. Find the height of the pole. They have given here figure. You can see this is the tower 60 meter they have told, and this is CD is a pole. So let us see how to solve this. Here I have already solved. Let me show you. Okay, here I have drawn the figure, given how they have given the figure, that way I have drawn here. Okay, now let AB be the height of the tower and CD be the height of the pole, where CD they have given as H. Okay, now in triangle we have, for solving such problem always we should focus on right angle triangle. How many right angle triangle we have here? Let me see. In triangle ABD, full right angle triangle, foot of the tower 60 degree, top of the tower 30 degree. Okay, foot of the tower they have given 60, top, this is the pole, foot of the pole is 60 degree, top of the pole is 30 degree. So in triangle ABD, tan 60, tan is nothing but opposite upon adjacent, tan 60 degree is equals to AB upon BD. Tan 60 is root 3, value of tan 60 is root 3 is equals to AB value they have given 60 upon BD. So we need BD, BD is equals to 60 upon root 3. So we got the side BD. Now let us take one more triangle AEC, because the angle comes in AEC now. In triangle AEC, angle C 30 degree by, that is what, angle of depression na, alternate angles will be there. So tan 30 degree will be, now tan 30 opposite AE upon EC, AE upon EC. Tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3 upon AE as it is, EC 60 root 3. Why EC 60 root 3? When BD is 60 root 3, which is also equal to EC, because we can see here one rectangle is formed and opposite sides of rectangle is equal. BD is equal to EC. So EC 60 root 3. Now let us cross multiply. 60 root 3 into 1, 60 root 3 is equals to root 3 into AE. Okay. Now AE is equals to, value of AE is equals to 60 upon root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3. So square and root get cancelled. AE is equals to 60 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 0 as it is. So AE value we got 20. But they didn't ask us to find AE. They have told us to find CD. AE value what we got? 20 centimeter. Sorry, 20 meter. Now we know that BE is equals to CD. This side is equals to this. Why? Because this is a rectangle and this is the rectangle. BE is equals to CD. BD is equals to EC now. Like that, BE is equals to CD. I have written here. BE is equals to CD. BE is equals to AB minus AE. How BE is equals to? See this part if you want to know. Full AB minus AE. AB 60 they have given. AE just now we got 20. 60 minus 20 is nothing but 40. Therefore, the height of the pole is 40 meter. They have told us to find the value of CD only. Therefore, the height of the pole is 40 meter. Let us see the last problem. Okay. A container open from the top is in the form of frustum. So the figure is in the form of frustum of cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper end 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. See here height is given, here radii is given R1 and R2. We know in frustum there will be 2 radii. Find the cost of milk which can be completely filled in the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Take pi is equals to 3.14. So let me write the given thing. They have given R1 first radii is 20 centimeter and R2 8 centimeter and H is equals to 16 centimeter height. Now what they have asked us here, in that frustum of cone container, like how much milk will be filled in the container if the rate of milk is 20 per liter. So what they have told, cost of milk which is completely filling in that frustum. To know this, first we know to know the actually capacity of the frustum. How much the capacity of frustum, how much milk it will we can fill in that frustum. Okay, so we need to find the volume here. Always when they ask any liquid regarding that time, we have to understand that here they have told us to find the volume. So everything is given. Radii 1 is 20 centimeter. R2 is 8 centimeter and the height of the frustum is given 16 centimeter. How much milk can be filled here? Let us find first. Volume of container. Container is nothing but frustum. So frustum, volume of frustum formula. See, to solve such problems you need to be perfect in formulas, otherwise you will not be able to solve this problem. So the volume of frustum is here 1 by 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Okay, 1 by 3 pi in the question they have told 3.14 we have to take, so I have taken 3.14 into h value is 16, r1 is 20 square as it is plus r2 8 square as it is plus r1 into r2 20 into 8. Okay, 3.14 into 16 upon 3 as it is, 20 square is 400, 8 square is 64 plus 20 into 8 is 160. Okay, 3.14 into 16 upon 3 into, if we add all this we got 624. So with 3 we have cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. Together we have taken two numbers, so 0 8, 3 8s are 24. 3.14 into 16 into 208. So total, when after multiplying, I know being a 10th standard student, you people are perfect in multiplication. If you don't know multiplication, you can refer my previous video where I have explained the multiplication regarding decimal. So after multiplying, we got here 10449.92 centimeter cube. So they have told, I have written in centimeter cube, but they have told in the liter. So how we will convert into liter? Divide by 1000. So 10449.92 by 1000. So we will get here, point will jump to after 3 number again. Here the point is, it will jump to here. So 10.4499 liter. After converting centimeter into liter, the point comes here. So 10.4499 liter. So volume of this container is 10.45 liter. It will be filled with 10 liter. So cost of, here the steps I have written in the short. Let me write. Therefore, cost of the milk per liter is rupees 20. For 1 liter rupees 20. Therefore, cost of the milk, how much liter it contains? 10.45 liter is equal to 10.45 into 20 rupees. You will get like rupees 209. How much rupees it will take? 209 rupees. So this completes question number 37. Let us see the last question of 5 marks. Answer the following question. State and prove Pythagoras theorem. See, one theorem they will ask only. So this is the very important theorem. For explanation of this theorem, you can refer my previous video where I have explained this theorem thoroughly. Okay. So this completes the June 2020 paper solution. I have solved the whole June 2020 paper. So now my next target will be preparatory paper of 2020. Okay, so do like and share. Thank you.